So we're here with Ryan today at the dog park. Tell us about your dog. What's his name?
His name is Stove. He's
Nice.
a double doodle. He's a Labradoodle Golden Doodle. Basically my entire life.
Nice. How long have you had him? 4 years?
I've had him for 4 years.
Okay,
Got him when he
cool.
was a month old or so, 8 weeks.
The strangest thing your dog does.
Strangest thing my dog does. He burps. My dog burps. He burps and farts. He was crate trained for maybe the first week or two after I brought him home, or after he came home. My ex tried to crate train him, but I couldn't handle it.
Yeah.
So the dog would be in the crate, and I had to put the crate right next to my bed, and I would put my hand in until he stopped crying. He fell asleep with my hand, and I would slowly pull it out.
What's the craziest thing Stove has ever done?
Jumped up on the counter and threw up a sock.
Threw up a sock.
He threw up the sock that he ate. He eats socks, it'll be in there for a little bit, and then he eventually throws it up. He passes it all the time, which is amazing. He's my twin. Apparently, when I have my beard, they'd say I look just like him. So.
Yeah?
Just he's stuck at my side. He's my ride or
Like
die.
an extension. Yeah.
My ride or die. No matter what happens, he's always by my side.